Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset the Microsoft Store in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is open up the Store menu and type CMD. Right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on Yes and type W is reset and hit enter and wait a moment. This command reset your store. W is for Windows, S is for store, reset, and wait. And when the process is ending, open up your store automatically and your config has been restarted, and close this window, and this is all. Your store works properly, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.